I mean, come on, man. Who does he think he is? He doesn't even got them Jordans. And it's the year 23? Hmm? Man, what does he have? What doesn't he have? What is he doing? I care what he's doing. Man, it's easy to do this, right? Man, this takes a real person to do this. Okay? This doesn't make anything look bad, right? Hey, that guy over there, I don't like what he's doing. I don't like what he's doing. Go try to handle that. Okay? Try to Let's try to play these games that the powers to be play on us. Cuz we're gods. We tell people what to do, right? We tell people what to do. We make the rules. And yeah, I have regular shoes right there. You know? This is how I decode, right? I mean, it takes a genius to know that the numbers 1 and 9 have been hidden. You know what I'm saying? Now that's my sacred knowledge. Oh, am I holding the camera right on my shoes? My fake Jordans, right? You know? Is today 113? It is. You know what I'm saying? Is today 113? It is. But, this is sacred knowledge, right? And they want to protect from giving the whole truth. So, say if other people maybe say too much, they're not in line, they're not on that team, then there's an issue, right? Because they play gods. I don't mind spending 5 minutes like this. This is easy because I actually don't even really have 5 minutes to do this because I'm kind of busy trying to do what we're all supposed to be doing, you know? That's just right. Sometimes people want to know what other people are doing. 42 years old, okay? And my past has been out there. If anybody wants to look at the first lives I have, where I just randomly go live, oh, there's one titled The O'Connor Name and My Arrest, where I went through my arrest, played as much video as I could find online, went over my crimes, put it all online. As some people won't even show their face. Hey, I don't like what that guy's doing. Go call him names. Hey, he failed. You're up. Go call that guy names. Make a video and title it after him. And let's put something in there. Maybe snitch is cool now. Right? Maybe let's tell on people is very cool. Let's not do what we're supposed to be doing. As you look at my fake nice shoes, cuz I really don't care about that, right? I'm trying to do something else with my life. You know what I'm saying? Okay? Right? So, you know, possibly you have people putting this stuff out there. Think about it. Manipulation. Okay? So you have people who are supposed to be influencers with this knowledge. Let's take down the people who try to rule over us, who play gods. But hold on. Let's play gods over the people that we get, and they're gonna follow us. And if when they're on board with us, they grow. When they support and they donate to the channel, their subscriber counts get a bump. And then when they stop donating, they're going to go down. Because we play gods over people. Right? And we like to divide and conquer. Kind of like what's going on in the world. Thanks, by the way, for exposing us to that. But no thank you for acting it out on the people who have bought in. And they have bought in. Okay? They have bought in. Okay? And I know you say my name, that's fine. I somewhat respect you for what I've learned from you. I should say your channel. What I've learned from your channel, yeah, I respect that. Okay? You could even say my name. Say my name. I mean, that's kind of a bad move, don't you think? Well, I don't care if your followers like me. I don't care if you like me. Okay? When's the deadline on saving the world so you can stop siphoning money? It's their decision. Come on, man. You don't know how manipulation works, leader? Leader wants to divide. As the world divides, as we come up on a selection, hey, I talk about all the colors, right? Red and blue, purple, all of that. Green equals 23. What's up with the Trump stuff, man? Are we gonna blame that on somebody else? Right? I want to talk about exposing trafficking. We know what's going on. You know what's going on. Instead, we want to do this. Okay? I really don't, do I need to say, why would I say people's names? Why would I say people's names and let me tell you about other people's lives? These celebrities, these fake puppets. Remember, we're supposed to be doing that, remember? We're supposed to be exposing that, doing our best, whatever it takes. Okay? Everybody has their own way. We don't play gods, right? We don't play gods, and we don't have time for this BS. Nobody has time for it. Okay? Nobody has time for it. The people I do respect, they know I respect them. And don't trust anybody, by the way, and don't trust me. And if somebody says, hey, you're an agent, and you get super offended, that's a damn question mark. That's a damn question mark, because I'm not making money on here. I'm spreading more knowledge than I'm supposed to, and look what's going on. People are mad. Okay? I'm holding the phone. I want y'all to check out my just various work shoes, whatever. I thought that would make a good decode. By the way, it was the 119th World Series. Okay? And the D-backs beat the Yankees right after 9-1-1, and they're back in the World Series. Okay, they're 111 Arizona right now. New York equals 111 in the gematria, whatever you want to call it. I can do this too, y'all. I can talk, okay? Thanks for appreciating me. Uh, it's funny. Thanks for appreciating me. Look at my different work shoes. You know what I'm saying? Got your basic job, right? Got the basic job. Don't want it. Hey, I'm not perfect. Here, let me look around on YouTube. Who's not perfect? I have a few minutes to You're not perfect. Hey, you're not perfect. And you're wearing a blue shirt. That's talent right there. Anyways, I have better things to do. Okay, did I miss anything? There is a couple people on YouTube that I'm kind of rocking with right now. And they can have their own opinion. I'm cool with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not perfect, y'all. Who wants to divide? Like Cuts One, I like Cuts One's attitude. Okay? Maybe he doesn't like the way I like the decode or whatever. That's cool. I learned it from Gematria Effect News. Right? I mean, talk about a lot of hours of watching the channel. Okay? You know? Hey, any teachers out there? Any teachers out there? Learn patience with your students. It goes a long way. It really does. I mean, I know. Patience goes a long way when you're teaching somebody. I mean, smart people know that. Manipulators take advantage of that. Icing. Until next time.